Deep in the rugged salt range of Punjab, Pakistan, lies a geological wonder that has fascinated the world for centuries: the Himalayan pink salt mines. From the outside, these ancient mountains look silent and lifeless. Yet beneath their surface lies a vast underground kingdom, glimmering with rosy crystals formed over 250 million years ago when prehistoric oceans dried up and left behind monumental layers of mineral-rich salt. Though it shares 98% of its composition with common table salt, its soft pink hue and natural purity have turned it into a global luxury, a symbol of wellness, balance, and refinement. Each year, hundreds of thousands of tons of this pink mineral are extracted, processed, and shipped worldwide, feeding both the culinary market and the wellness industry. But what gives this salt its magic? Let's embark on a journey through Pakistan's Kira salt mine, the second largest salt deposit on Earth, and uncover how this ancient treasure becomes one of the world's most desired natural materials. The story of Himalayan pink salt begins in the Kira mine, stretching deep into the Salt Range Mountains, at altitudes between 500 and 1,500 meters above sea level. This mine alone supplies nearly 95% of the world's pink salt, with an estimated reserve exceeding 6 billion tons, enough to serve humanity for thousands of years. Mining here is not about brute force, it's an art of precision. Unlike marble or granite quarries that use heavy blasting, the extraction of pink salt follows the room and pillar technique designed to preserve the structure and beauty of the mineral veins. Workers begin by drilling small holes along the salt walls, carefully measuring the distance and depth. Into each cavity, they insert small charges of gunpowder, just enough to loosen the salt without shattering its crystalline texture. When detonated, the rock face releases massive glowing blocks tinted from pale blush to deep rose orange, each one a window into Earth's ancient past. Each day, about 500 miners work under the dim glow of industrial lamps, cutting and shaping nearly 2,000 tons of pink salt by hand. Inside the tunnels, the air is thick with mineral dust, the same briny scent that has lingered here for millions of years. The process is grueling. Miners swing iron hammers to split salt blocks into manageable sizes, loading them onto small mine carts that rattle through narrow passageways toward the surface. It's work that demands endurance, precision, and pride. Because here, every strike of the hammer doesn't just extract salt, it reveals a piece of ancient ocean sealed within stone. Once outside, the blocks are stacked high in open-air stockyards. Under the sunlight, the hills of salt shimmer like coral reefs on land. Workers perform the first quality check. Clear, translucent blocks are kept for food-grade processing, while darker or veined pieces are reserved for lamps and industrial products. This sorting marks the start of a long transformation, from rough mineral rock to refined pink crystal. From the stockyards, rough salt blocks are sent to modern factories where centuries-old methods meet industrial precision. process begins with washing and sorting. Massive chunks travel along conveyor belts through gentle, high-pressure water sprays that remove dust and dirt without dissolving the crystal. Vibrating screens shake off remaining debris, leaving behind clean, glimmering salt, ready for refinement. Next, the blocks are crushed and ground into smaller pieces. Large steel rollers or jaw crushers break them down before fine grinders turn them into even pink grains. Each stage is carefully timed to protect the salt's natural structure and color. The crushed salt then passes through drying chambers heated around 90 degrees Celsius, removing any residual moisture while keeping the crystals bright and crisp. Once dry, the grains move under optical sorting scanners that use cameras and sensors to detect and remove any discolored particles, ensuring uniform purity and tone. Finally, the salt is graded and packaged into various forms: fine grains for cooking, coarse crystals for grinders, and larger chunks for spa and decorative use. Vacuum-sealed packaging helps preserve its quality for years with no need for artificial additives or anti-caking agents. More than a seasoning, Himalayan pink salt represents a delicate balance between nature and technology, where each grain carries the legacy of ancient oceans and the precision of modern craftsmanship. Beyond its role as a seasoning, Himalayan pink salt has found new life as an artistic and wellness material. Inside specialized workshops, large salt blocks are mounted on precision cutting tables. Alloy blades slice through the crystals, cooled by a steady stream of water that both polishes and protects their structure. The result: flawless, translucent pieces glowing softly in shades of blush, rose, and amber. From these blocks, artisans carve salt lamps, hollowed pieces shaped by hand or machine, to house a single light source inside. When lit, each lamp emits a gentle pink glow, creating a warm, calming ambiance. Though the scientific claims about air purification remain debated, their natural beauty has made them a symbol of serenity and wellness around the world. Smaller polished blocks are shaped into cooking slabs, cutting boards, and decorative bricks. When assembled, they form stunning pink salt walls, structures admired for both aesthetics and air-cleansing properties. These creations showcase how a simple mineral can bridge function, art, and atmosphere, blending the ancient earth with modern living spaces. Behind this gleaming industry stands the enduring effort of Pakistan's miners and craftsmen. Each day, hundreds of workers descend into the cool, brine-scented tunnels to extract salt with care and precision. Their expertise, passed down through generations, ensures that this treasure remains as pure as nature intended. For many families in the Punjab Salt Range, this work is more than a livelihood. It's a heritage carved in stone. Economically, pink salt has become one of Pakistan's signature exports, contributing millions of dollars annually. From kitchen tables to luxury spas, its journey reflects not only the resourcefulness of human hands, but also the timeless beauty hidden beneath the earth. From the silent depths of ancient mountains to the bright lights of modern homes, Himalayan pink salt tells a story of patience, craftsmanship, and transformation. What began as prehistoric seabeds millions of years ago now shines as a global icon of purity and design. Each grain, each lamp, each shimmering wall carries within it a fragment of Earth's memory. A reminder that even the simplest elements of nature can become symbols of wonder when treated with respect and imagination.